Hello everyone. Welcome to another thrilling journey, this time into the world of autonomous weapons and AI warfare. In our last chapter, we explored the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and how it's transforming various industries, from healthcare to entertainment. Today, we're diving into a more intense application of AI, autonomous weapons and their role in modern warfare. In this session, we'll explore the incredible impact of artificial intelligence on warfare, from self-driving drones to intelligent robots on the battlefield. We'll start with an introduction to autonomous weapons, machines that can think and act without direct human control. So let's gear up and dive right in. Introduction to autonomous weapons. Autonomous weapons are military systems that can operate without human intervention. These systems can track, identify, and engage targets independently based on the data they receive. From drones in the air to robots on the ground, autonomous weapons are revolutionizing warfare by taking on dangerous tasks such as bomb disposal or reconnaissance to keep humans out of harm's way. Types of autonomous weapons. There are several types of autonomous weapons. Drones are perhaps the most well-known. These flying robots conduct surveillance, perform airstrikes, and gather intelligence, all without a human pilot. Ground robots can patrol dangerous areas, detect explosives, and even engage targets autonomously. Naval vessels, like unmanned submarines and ships, are becoming key in modern naval warfare, patrolling vast areas of water without needing human crews. AI decision-making models. Now let's talk about how these weapons make decisions. AI decision-making models. These models are like the brains of autonomous weapons, helping them process information and make decisions. There are several types of decision-making models used in these systems. Rule-based systems. One of the simplest forms of decision-making is a rule-based system, where a machine follows a set of predefined rules. For instance, a drone might be programmed to engage a target if it's moving rapidly. These systems are fast, but can be limited in their adaptability. Machine learning in warfare. A more advanced model is machine learning, where AI systems learn from vast amounts of data. This allows them to improve their decision-making over time. For example, a drone can learn to identify and prioritize targets based on previous encounters and data. Neural networks explained. Another powerful AI model is the neural network, which mimics the human brain's structure. It helps the system recognize patterns and make decisions by processing data through multiple layers, improving its ability to identify threats, especially in complex environments. Case study: MQ-9 Reaper drone. Let's now look at a real-world example, the MQ-9 Reaper drone. This drone is one of the most well-known autonomous systems, used extensively for surveillance and targeted strikes. It can stay airborne for hours, covering vast areas while gathering data and even carrying weapons. AI surveillance technologies. Beyond combat, AI surveillance technologies are being deployed to monitor areas for potential threats. These systems use AI to analyze video footage, detect anomalies, and even recognize faces in real time, vastly improving efficiency in intelligence gathering. Threats posed by autonomous weapons. While these technologies offer significant advantages, there are also threats posed by autonomous weapons. One major concern is the potential for mistakes. If a weapon misidentifies a target, it could result in disastrous consequences, potentially harming civilians. Tactical advantages in modern warfare. On the flip side, the tactical advantages are undeniable. Autonomous systems can operate faster than humans, make decisions in real time, and tackle missions too dangerous for human soldiers, such as defusing bombs or securing hazardous areas. Sensors in autonomous systems. Sensors are another key component. Autonomous weapons rely on sensors like cameras and thermal imaging to perceive their environment. These sensors allow the weapons to detect and track targets, helping them make decisions quickly and accurately. Software architecture. Software architecture is the backbone of autonomous weapons. It's responsible for processing data, making decisions, and controlling actions. The software enables AI systems to learn, adapt, and execute missions autonomously, all while maintaining efficiency. Hardware components. Hardware components include everything physical: drones, robots, and missiles. These machines are designed to be strong and durable, capable of operating in harsh environments while performing tasks autonomously. Ethical considerations. Let's talk about ethical considerations. With AI-powered weapons, there's a growing concern about who is responsible when a machine makes a mistake. Should it be the programmers, the military, or the machine itself? These are tough questions that need to be addressed as technology advances. Accountability and responsibility. Accountability and responsibility are crucial issues in the debate over autonomous weapons. If an autonomous weapon makes a wrong decision, who is held accountable? These questions are central to ensuring these technologies are used ethically and safely. International laws and regulations. We also need to think about international laws and regulations. Should autonomous weapons be regulated on a global scale? Different countries may have different views on how these weapons should be used, leading to important discussions about international cooperation and agreements. Future trends in AI warfare. As technology advances, we'll see future trends in AI warfare. AI is evolving rapidly, and new, more sophisticated systems will emerge. These systems may one day make decisions without human intervention, but we must ensure they are designed to respect ethical boundaries. Public opinion and debates. Public opinion is another important aspect of this debate. As AI becomes more integrated into military strategies, it's essential for citizens to engage in discussions about its implications. How can we ensure that these technologies serve humanity's best interests? Balancing innovation and ethics. Ultimately, the key is balancing innovation with ethics. While autonomous weapons offer efficiency and precision, we must not lose sight of the moral questions they raise. Innovation should always be aligned with responsibility to ensure these technologies benefit society. Conclusion and call to action. To wrap up, autonomous weapons and AI warfare are shaping the future of conflict with both exciting potential and complex ethical challenges. As we move forward, it's crucial to think about how we can use these technologies responsibly and ethically. Thank you for joining me today. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the future of technology is in your hands.